Hello world, I'm back with a quick video. Today we have the Reshoevn8r Laundry Kit. See the laundry pods, kids don't eat these. We got the bag, and I have my daughter's white Air Force Ones. A little dirty. For the most part, they're in pretty good shape. I cleaned them with the Reshoevn8r kit first. But what I'm gonna do is drop these in the washing machine and see if I can get the insides totally clean. I'll be right back. So it's a quick, simple process. Take the shoes, put them in the bag, see the pouch, drop the capsule, and we're gonna see what happens. Yo, y'all see that soap that the pod get? That's from one pod. That's a lot of soap, yo. That's crazy. Alright, folks, so we back outside. This is the finished product. Came out pretty good. The heel part is cleaner than it was. The bottom is cleaner. I only used one pod. Maybe if I used two, it would have been like a lot cleaner. Well, yeah, got a lot of the dirt off the tongue. Bag is clean. Not bad. This was the one with the ink. The ink came completely off. Pretty much. A little stain right there stayed, but that's probably like some gum or something. Not bad at all. The washing machine did tear this part up, which was crazy, but this is just a shoe I wanted to clean so she could still wear to school without them being dirty. But yeah, I'm really satisfied with the way the Reshoevn8r washing machine kit worked. All right, y'all.